So, yun po, no? What is up sa inyo? It's your boy David and welcome to another episode of Davecast. If you're new to the channel, please click the subscribe button and notification button. So, yun po, no? Isa na naman tong episode ng Davecast and today, magre-react ulit tayo on different posts on social media. Okay? Talagang, I don't know what day na ng quarantine ngayon. Ilang weeks na. But hopefully, we will survive this quarantine, no? Until April 30. Kung di ako nagkakamali, April 30, no? So, simulan na natin. So, from We Are Humanity. People with April birthday this year. And there's a laugh sign. Sa lahat ng celebrant for April, and happy birthday sa inyo, no? Mga celebrate na mga birthday dito sa April. Even my grandma is celebrating her birthday this April. Also my uncles. So happy birthday pa rin sa inyo. It doesn't matter if merong virus na kumakalat. And we're in quarantine. As long as you'll celebrate it with your family. And okay na yan. So next tayo, no? It's from Albert Nicolas. This one is my favorite comedian. One of my favorite comedian. Kasi naman gumawa nito, no? Rosas Digital Singing. Ang galing, no? From Chris Evans to Chris Evans. Albert Nicolas. Marami yung nakikita ang ganitong post eh. Yung nire-recreate nila. Even Cong TV ata eh. Nire-recreate nila yung mukha. Ang galing. Kuwang-kuwa eh, no? The nose, the eyes. Yan. Tagang kuha ko, magpagkakamala mo si Albert Nicolas siya eh. Kasi dito, may mga binagong features para maging si Albert Nicolas. So, yun po, no? Nanya ko kayo na i-follow nyo yung mga pages na to. Kung saan ko nakakuha yung mga pages na to. Albert Nicolas, We Are Humanity. Okay, let's go to the next one. Thinking Minds. Good Will Hunting, 1997. This is the year that I was born. So, when did you know, like, that she was the one for you? October 21, 1975. Di pa ako pinapakalak nito. You know, the exact day. So, ito yung artista na to. Ito yung, kung di ako nagkamali, si Robin Williams. He passed away, I don't know what year. Pero recently lang eh. Isa siya sa magaling na comedian ng Hollywood. Yan, isa siya sa mga iniidolo ko. Yung mga movies na ginagawa niya is maganda. Yan, may aral siya eh. Yung mga morals of the story. Yan. And probably the whole Hollywood will gonna miss this guy. Yan. Yung genius niya sa mga sa paggawa ng mga palabas, ganyan. Tsaka napaka-natural din nung acting niya, yung comedic. yung yung humor niya. As a artist, one of the best actor in the Hollywood. We're gonna miss you. Rest in peace, Sir Robin Williams. Next, clutch basketball. We're going in basketball. Whoever is trying to bring you down is already below you. Oh, that's 100%. Because why would they bring you down if you're not on the top of the ceiling? Ceiling. Oo nga, bakit ka nahihila yung pababa kung hindi ka nasa taas, no? If you're not above them, bakit hindi ka nila hihilahin pababa? So, it means that you're above them, you're beyond them. Yan. But, yun nga, yung isa sa mga kasabihan na nagustuhan ko is yung maging saranggola ka. If you're like a kite, habang hinihila ka nila pababa, lalo kang tumataas. Yun. Dapat pag meron nag-bring you down, someone brings you down, you should not stop on proving yourself and striving harder. Yan. Kasi, if you're a kite, habang hinahatakan nila pababa, probably go higher. Yan, dapat higher. Reach for the top. Power. Next. Music is better than people from minds. Music is better than people. What particular music? Kasi pag sinabi mong song, it is made by people, the lyrics. Yan. Music, pwede siya guitar, kinds of sounds, pwede rin naman, but some of it is made by human din eh. Made by people din eh. But alongside, yung opinion na to is good din. For example, if you're feeling depressed, you play a happy music. You cheer yourself up. Pwede rin. Pwede rin siya. At base of the situation, no? Yan. Paras pa kami headphones, no? Headphones I'm using right now. So, comment down below kung anong tingin nyo dito. Is music better than people? Next. I'm jealous of people who can go to sleep seconds after closing their eyes. How do they do that? Usually people who undergoes overwork, they must be really tired. Minsan ganun na nangyayari kaya mabilis na nakatulog kasi pagod na sila. Or minsan naman talaga is nakasanayan na. May mga ganun eh, yung konting ano lang, tulog na, sandal lang. Yan. They must be tired. Ganun kasi hindi ka naman usually makatulog kung hindi ka naman talaga pagod eh. So, do something. Yan. So, comment down below kung sa tingin nyo. What are your insights about this? Ano yung may papahay nyo kung paano makatulog ng mabilis? Siguro kasi nag-overthink ka siguro kaya hindi ka makatulog, no? Mostly, anxiety kasi yun eh, nahihirapan na matulog eh pag masyado ka may iniisip, you're overthinking something. Kaya yun, yung mapapayo ko lang is before you sleep, pray first. Yun, cast aside all of your problems and anxiety, no? Next. Okay. It's from Marian Cyril Oliveros share post. 4 na lang ka-chat ko. Ako 2 na lang. Ako isa, matagal pa mag-reply. Ha, may ka-chat ka. Yung millennials nowadays, ito yung mga share nilang post. Yung may pinapatamaan yata sila. Ganyan. Pero mostly pag wala ka namang ka-chat, madami ka naman pwedeng gawin eh. Pwede kang mag-movie marathon, nood ng anime, ganyan. Magbasa ng libro, madami kang pwedeng gawin. Not only for chatting lang, no. So, usually maganda pa rin pag nakakausap mo ng face-to-face yung tao, hindi yung puro chat, ganyan. Kasi you'll never know the emotions of the people sa chat lang. They can send happy emojis while they're sad. They can send sad emojis while they're happy. You can fake anything on chatting. Comment down below kung sa tingin nyo, no? Totoo ba na you can fake your emotions on chatting? Kaya mas maganda pa rin yung nakausap mo yung tao face to face. Hindi lang yun sa chat. No? Kasi malay mo, iisip mo galit. Dun sa reply niya maikli. Madalas sa na issue. Galit eh. Kasi maikli mag-reply, ganyan. Tapos yung pala, naantok lang, ganyan. Yeah, minsan nadideceive ka ng ng mga chat emojis, ganyan. Next, another drawing. This time it's Cong TV. Yeah. The revelation of the name of Cong TV is from the previous vlog or yung the latest vlog na pinost nila. Ano daw eh, Lincoln Jonald Cortez Velasquez. Jonald. No? Hindi rin ako mapaniwala, Jonald. But this is a good drawing, no? Sino gawa nito? Ano nakalagay? Si Aaron Pagubayan ang gumawa. Ang galing. Nilagay niya yung goatee ni Cong TV dito. Tsaka yung yung bigote. Pero si Justin Bieber ngayon may bigote, no? Ayaw niya kahitin yung bigote niya. Mahal na mahal niya yung bigote niya. Ever since Justin Bieber has married. Hindi niya pinatanggal yung bigote niya. Siguro sign of maturity, ganun. Maturity. Yan. Galing yung artwork na to. Kung TV, Justin Bieber fusion. Woo. Next tayo, next. Real is rare, fake is everywhere. Usually ito yung mga nakikita kong posts sa social media about who's fake, who is real. Yan. Usually people becomes fake when they try to impress or gusto nilang kunin yung validation. Yan. I want to validate myself to everyone. Syempre, for example, if you're using a filter on pictures sa type of deceive yun pandi-deceive din yun deception yun kasi you're not trying to show your true self. For example, ano pa yung sa bahay nyo is mainitan ng ulo mo, then pagdating sa ibang tao is nagiging masyado kang mabait, ganyan. The thing is you're trying to get everybody's approval. That's why you're being fake, called fake. Yan. Yung pag gusto mong kunin yung approval na ganyan, oy, oo nga, mabait ka nga. Yun pala, hindi ka naman ganun. Ginagawa mo lang yun kasi gusto mong makuha yung approval. Gusto mong ma-approve sa kanila, sa mga tao. So, advice lang pag ganun, make sure na handa ka sa mga ganito. Kasi usually, mababash ka pag ganun. Lalo na yung mga totoong nakakilala sa'yo. Talagang marireveal at marireveal yung true side mo, the real you, using those people, no? So comment down below kung ano sa tingin nyo dito, no? And last but not the least, from Cong TV Memes, walang kamatayang Cong TV Memes, mga hindi sinasalo. Ikaw. Tas is gold play button. Napanood ko to sa sa vlog ni Junnie Boy. Nakita ko kasi naglalokad sila, kinuha ni Junnie Boy yung niya, yung gold play button niya. Sinilabang pa nga nila Tapos binagsak kasi 1 million na kasi subscribers ni Junnie Boy. Ngayon, pinrank nila si Kong. Kasi yung unang salo-salo nila, nagis-hagis nila hindi sinalo ni Kong. Ngayon, umalis si Kong na namili. And after doon, pagbalik, pinalitan pala. Ang nangyari, nung hinagis na nila kay Kong, hindi niya sinali yung sarili niya. ito yun. Hindi niya sinali yung sarili niyang gold play button. So, nangyari, alam ko nag-crack Alam ko may nangyari dito na gano'n So, yun lang po Comment down below kung nakaka-relate ka dito, isa ka sa mga gold play button na hindi sinalo. So yun you can follow us on our Facebook page, John David Covers, and also pwede rin kayo punta sa website namin na webnote, John David Torreña. Yun And yun lang po And kung nagustuhan nyo tong video na to, please leave a like button. And also you can comment down below. And that's it. See you in the next video, guys.